Have you always wanted longer and more voluminous curls? In this video, we show you how to install Bebonia curly hair extensions into 3C hair textures. For this model, we used 2 sets of custom colored 110 gram 22-inch ringlet extensions. Let's get into the video. Our Bebonias don't come ready to wear. It's best to wash and style the hair before they're clipped in. For this model, we used 2 sets of custom colored 110 gram 22-inch ringlet extensions. Start off by clipping in a 2-clip weft at the nape of the neck to hide any short pieces. Then follow up with another 2 or 3 clip weft. Tip: spray a bit of water to your hair to reactivate the product and finger coil the hair if it becomes a bit too teased. Section 1/2 inch parts and clip in a 3 or 4 clip weft along the circumference of your head. Our ringlet texture is best for those who have 3C to type 4 hair textures. This set was washed and styled using our Bebonia finger wand method before installation. A direct link to our how-to video is down below. Double stacking is a great way to be able to fit all of the wefts when purchasing 2 sets of 110 grams. Tip: play around with the placement. Everyone's head shape and hair is different. Bebonia extensions are created using Remy human hair, the highest quality of human hair available. If you need help choosing which set is right for you, feel free to DM us on Instagram for a product match, @Curls by Bebonia. Tip: separate any clumped curls and tease the hair for more volume. Bebonia curly hair extensions come in a variety of colors, lengths, and weights, so you could find your perfect match easily. Then diffuse the hair until it's 100% dry. Bebonia curly hair extensions give you instant length and volume. We want you to have curl confidence. As you can see, the ringlet extensions blend perfectly with 3C hair textures. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for more curly hairstyles, curly hair extension videos, and curly hair routines. Thanks for watching!